Today we're going to be continuing on our remodeling project. We got Ray on insulation, Josh is working on plumbing. I just get to clean up some. It's good to have people who you can rely on, and so I have a couple of good guys here helping me today. We got our HUD inspector back, retired, and we're going to bring you guys along with us. We got Ray over here putting in insulation. So basically just running the R13 wall insulation and stapling it off. And we're going to go ahead and do all the full bays first, and we're going to come back and do all the cut stuff. It'll make it a little bit faster, I think, a little bit easier.
Nothing.
That's really the only thing we can do.
I know nothing.
Look right over it.
Even the construction gods are going, you can't do it!
And then just put a strap over top of that. And just have to put it over close to wherever it'll be.
Yeah, and then we just cover it, we just put some straps over it. It'll be fun.
Yep. And then when we do our drywall,
I'm pretty sure that's legal.
We may have to take
the drywall's up there, it'll never.
That's right. Once the drywall's up, it's all
maybe
legal.
even have to take the back of the drywall and dig it out a little bit so it fits
Whatever we got.
whatever makes it work. Alright. I'm out of juice. Alright, so we're going to turn this off. Alright, we have water, like it's supposed to be. That's the hot water. I don't think it's very hot because the water heater's not in yet. That's our cold water. And we're not shooting out of the shower head. That was an interesting thing the other day because this valve, we installed it upside down because of the way the water lines come in. But inside this part of the diverter, there's a baffle that allows the water to come out the bottom and not come out the top until this is stopped up. Once this is stopped up, the water redirects up here. Well, we had it the opposite way around because we didn't swap this around. So we did that this morning, and now this is gonna, the water comes down here and now it redirects up when this gets plugged up.
Okay, now we can get a different blade.
Easier one in there playing with metal blades.
Huh?
It's a lot easier with a metal blade.
Yeah, that's a bi-metal blade.
Nothing you want to do with.
No. Now I'm gonna go find a real metal plate. Well, it was a long day today. It's 6:15, but there are going to be days like this. We did a few things that weren't really on the list of things to do, and it was miserably hot. It was over 100. I know I get a lot of questions about how I learned how to do all this. And all I can say is that I had a lot of good teachers. Over the years, I had a lot of different jobs that involved pretty much every bit of the construction phase. I can honestly say I've worked in pretty much every aspect of construction, from foundation to rooftop, in a professional job at some point in the last 33 years. And there's a thing about people claiming, oh, I did it for 30 years. Well, I've been doing this for 33, and I've done everything from pouring concrete, laying blocks, shingling, drywall, electrical, plumbing, air conditioning, you name it. A few things I'm really good at, a few things I'm okay at, and a few things it's probably a good reason, or it was probably good that I quit those jobs before they found out how terrible I was at them. Well, it's not so much I was terrible at doing the job as it's just I wasn't fast at doing the job. And when you're working for someone else, that's one of the things that they look at. It's like, how fast can you get it done? And I'll be the first one to claim or tell you I'm not the one that can claim to get it done fast. I just want to get it done well. Anyway, I'm going to call it a night. Oh, goodness gracious. So anyway, I'm going to call it a night, and we'll pick up again tomorrow.